So, a lot has happened since we started renovations in June. We tore down a lot of outdated eyesores and had a lot of garbage laying around. In some rooms, there are still things hanging from the ceiling. In others, there are not. We also put up walls and we painted them. Some walls are blue, others are yellow. Then there's green and also purple. We also added a bunch of cabinets and drawers. Here's a room with a blue top. And here's a room with a purple top. We've been working on the floors too. Check out this wood. Overall, progress is looking pretty great. Check in later for more updates.